Right now, our human rights sentiment score is sitting at -0.17, with a momentum of +0.81, which is noteworthy. This negative sentiment reflects a growing urgency surrounding human rights issues, especially when compared to our historical baseline. You might be seeing similar spikes in your data, but this momentum indicates a shift in public focus or reaction, something you'll want to track closely. Our API returns a comprehensive sentiment analysis for human rights topics, including semantic clustering that breaks down the nuances of public sentiment. Imagine using this to fuel a real-time dashboard for NGOs or advocacy groups, helping them adapt their messaging and outreach strategies based on immediate public sentiment shifts. For more details on integrating our Sentiment API into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.